Hi, this is Kurt Harris with the Men's Family Court column. Today I want to talk to you about professionalism in your dialogue with your ex-spouse. If there is a potential that you might be going back to court and things are becoming heated, often we resort to the text and we say things perhaps that we ought not say. There are several rules which I would like to instill, or at least to let you know, I believe are in your best interest or a best practice. One should never text their ex-spouse while under the influence. That is never a good idea, and the outcome is almost always bad. One should never text something that they will regret later. One should never text something that they are not going to anticipate will be read out loud later on in court. So think about having to read that out loud on the witness stand, or your attorney having to read it out loud, or another attorney reading it out loud and emphasizing the inflections on your voice despite the fact that you may not have made that in court. It is a horrible idea. I always recommend to my clients to be respectful and to respond to text appropriately. Generally, 3 lines, no more. Often it seems a little short and maybe to the point, but that is okay with the courts. You might get 2 or 3 or 4 paragraphs from your ex-spouse complaining about this, that, and the other. You should address all the pertinent points, but be very concise, be very direct, and make sure that you respond within approximately 24 hours. This will look very reasonable to the courts, and as long as you address the major concerns in 2 or 3 lines, you will never have a problem with that. You don't want to stir the pot on the other end, and you certainly don't want to say something that you're going to regret later. That can be very problematic. Keeping your text a daytime text, and while we are very coherent and thinking about how to do that is always a very good idea. Once again, this is Kurt Harris with the Men's Family Court column. I look forward to speaking on other topics in the near future. Thank you.